Secret of eBay dropshipping. Hello guys, my name is Andrew, and let me tell you, secret of eBay dropshipping is in 3 words. All what you have to know. 3 words and you are gonna make money with the eBay dropshipping. Number 1, there are 3 words, 3 stages, 3 levels, whatever you want. 1, 2, 3. The number 1 is you need right process. For your products, whatever you do there, out there, whatever it is out there, Shopify, eBay, doesn't matter, the same. You need the right process. If you got the right process, if you got your products into the right process, you are gonna get money. Okay, that's simple, right? Number 2, stage number 2, level number 2, tactic number 2, strategy number 2, doesn't matter. The tactic stage number 2 called tools. I don't think about paid tools. I don't promote paid tools, but what I mean is you need right tools. When you got your products, you got your process, you need the tools. What is that you are doing there? How you do? This is the tools. How you do tools. What you use to get it, including ranking. What is the ranking? How you rank your products. It's a tool, right? It's a tool. Shipping, handling, what it is. It's a tool, guys, right? So things like this is on a stage number 2. First was what? Process. Second was tool. The number 3, stage number 3 is proof. Proof. You need proof. What is proof? For dropshipping, what do you mean? What kind of proof? Well, the proof is feedback. The proof is what's going on your account. What is your account visibility? When somebody is landing on your account, what is that they are seeing out there? We call in some trainings or in some videos I have been doing here, I call it branding, okay? But it's just a proof that you are worth seller, worth to buy from, trusted to buy from, okay? And those 3 stages are the whole magic for whole dropshipping. Whatever dropshipping you want to take there, 3 stages, 3 steps, 3 levels, 3 strategies, 3 signatures, whatever the meaning is there, right? First is process, second, what tool, and third is proof. If you do the right process and use the right tools and care about the proof, you will gonna make 6 figures in less than 10 months. That's exactly what I mean, and this is exactly what I do with my clients, with my students, and it's so simple. It's very, very simple. You don't need paid tools. No paid tools, no paid softwares, no ads. Hello? No ads. We don't use ads. Well, we use ads to be fair enough for you, to be fair, but it's only in monopoly method. But the monopoly method you use only when you got already good with those 3 levels, not before. You cannot apply monopoly method if you don't have right process, if you don't use right tool, if you don't have right proof. Proof is for the audience out there. It's not for me, not for eBay, well, partly for eBay, but for audience out there, they need proof. You need to put yourself into the right process. Your account into the right process, okay? By using right tools. So simple like that, guys. Like building house. Process, tools, booms, proof. Here's the house, right? That's how you make 6 figures on eBay dropshipping. Okay, it's nothing about hidden stuff or something weird there. All what you have to do is just process the right things in a way. And by the way, you can find everything on internet for free. You don't need any course, not even my $7.99 course where I put everything in a step-by-step process for 3 months. What you have to do every day. Where did I get from? Yeah, from experience, of course, and I put it in a course, and the link for the course is below the video. Nice sales pitch, right? But you don't need it because you can find everything on internet as well. Yes, everything of that is on the internet. There is no magic secret. Why would you need to spend the money for my $7.99 course if you can find everything about right process, everything about free tools, how to make, even about the eBay getter. You know, the eBay getter strategy, what I recommend to anybody just to boost like a rocket your account. Okay, that strategy is on internet for free, collected from pieces. You know, you search around, you study, you make information together, and you make a course. But you don't need the courses because everything is available on the internet. eBay Getter is, let me tell you, if you don't know what the eBay Getter is, the link is not below there. There is, but I will tell you what the eBay Getter is. The eBay Getter strategy is when you use sell for cause option on eBay, which is charity kind of like. But again, you will not gonna, by all means, don't jump and put your all items on charity because it's not working like that. You have to know the sequence: process, tools, proof. Remember those three magic words. All you need, process, right process. All you need, right tool. Free tool, free, 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 free. Come on, free tools only, free, okay? And proof, good proof. That's it. That's how you make 6 figures income with eBay dropshipping. Yes, and by the way, you don't list on a bonus. Let me give it the bonus. You don't list hundreds and thousands of products, but to make 6-figure income with eBay dropshipping, you use only few dozen of products. If you follow what I'm teaching, alternative dropshipping, $7.99. Okay, because think a little bit, guys. Why would you need to list? No. Just think a little bit, okay? Why would you need to list thousands and thousands and thousands of products, hoping that they were gonna sell? Why? Isn't that easier to list few dozen products that has been proved already by the market, and they are buying them again and again and again and again, and you make sales on those products on a daily basis multiple times? Why would you need to shoot for another product if you can sell the same product you are selling already? Let's say you sell 5 times a day. Why would you find some other products to sell? Just sell them 10 times a day, 15 times a day, 28 times a day, the same product. Every hour you sell the product. Wouldn't that be much easier to have on your eBay account only 30, 40 active listings? Process, tool, proof. That's it, guys. Enjoy 6-figure lifestyle. Bye-bye.